Hi everybody, it's Laura. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. Today I have a little something different for you. I was contacted by the makers of the journal Junk Box, and they asked me if I would like to receive one of their monthly boxes and share it on my channel. So as I've mentioned on my channel, I have recently become interested in the idea of creating a junk journal, and so I think this is perfect timing. I was really excited to see what the subscription was like, and so of course I said yes. I'm going to unbox a July kit for you so you can get an idea of what kinds of products they have in their monthly boxes. There are a number of subscription options which you can check out at junkjournalbox.com. And then I'll also be sharing a code to receive 15% off of your first box. And if you want to get a better idea of what the past kits looked like after you watch this video, you can look on the website and you can see the contents of a number of past kits. You can also take a look on the website to see what the cost is for the subscription and what the different options are for both payment and for how many months you would like to subscribe for. So there's a lot of information there on the website. Let's get started looking at what's inside the box. So first of all, I think it's really nice that the box is nice and sturdy and it fits all of the items comfortably. So after you're done looking at it and using it, you can put everything back in the box if you would like. So at the top, there's a card that says the Journal Junk Box. And then you have some information about their social media. And then this is the name of the July kit. It's called Stay Vibrant. There are a number of journal prompts to help get you started with your journaling. And then on the other side, they tell you exactly what's in the kit. And then they also tell you how to use washi tape to mark your journal pages. There's also a sentiment here on a 3x4-inch card that says, "Every day I welcome vibrant energy and wellness in mind, body, and spirit." Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. So I like to collage, so I would happily use this paper in my collaging. So I have to admit that before I made the video, I did take a quick peek through the box because I wanted to be able to show you everything that's in here and be able to talk about it. So the first item is this set of black pens, and they have such cute little strawberries on them. I don't know about you, but I really like to have a cool pen, and I like to have a pen that I like the way that it writes whenever I'm writing something for enjoyment. So I thought that these pens would be perfect for that. It also includes some recipe cards, and you'll notice that there's the fruit theme running throughout all of the items in this kit. So I think that this is a great thing to put in a journal, or even if you're going to have a separate journal for your recipes, you can put the ingredients and then the instructions on how to make a special recipe. Next, there are 3 magnets. This one says, "Here comes the sun, hello, and be happy." And I think these are really cute to put on your refrigerator or wherever you can stick a magnet to hold up some notes or anything that you want to display. And then here's this little journal that says Weekly Eats, Plan, Prep, Eat. And I really need to start doing something like this where I plan out what we're going to eat and then I make a shopping list to go along with it. We tend to decide what we're eating at about 5:30 to 6 o'clock at night, and then we have to run out and buy all the ingredients. Not every night, but too many nights. So I think that this would be awesome to do a little bit of planning, and then on top of knowing what we're making, being able to make a grocery list in advance. That would come in really handy. And then I love the way it continues with that fruit theme. Here's a journal that says Stay Vibrant and Full of Life. I love the lemons on the front and the blue checkerboard or gingham. And then you have a journal with lots and lots of pages. And of course you can write in here, but you can also use this to glue images down and use it for pretty much anything because it's a spiral binding. It will expand. So we also received this sticker pack. I think I'll show you this last because I want to show you what's in here. And then here are some 6x6 pieces of paper. There are 12 sheets. I'm going to flip through the sheets that you receive. So it's a little pad. We have some strawberries, some stripes. Here's some watermelon and stripes. Here we have some green with some pink and green dots. I love this one with the lemons and the strawberries on a plaid background. And then here's another one that has green stripes with little dots on it. So as you saw, there were 2 sheets of each of these 6 patterns. And then we also receive this tape, and I believe that this is, oh, here we go. It says, Oh So Juicy Washi Tape Collection. And look at these really cute patterns that are the same as some of the pattern papers. I love using washi tape for so many different things, and I don't think I've ever used washi tape that's this big, probably because I don't have washi tape that's this large, but I think these images are just awesome. And then finally, we have the sticker pack, which I'm going to spread out for you. I was going to just flip through these stickers, but then I realized that you wouldn't be able to fully appreciate the stickers because it would be hard to see how many there were and also how beautiful they are. They're so colorful. I love the way there are not only images of fruit in a lot of different forms, but there are also some sentiments and sayings. And I think that using some of these sentiments on a journaling page is a great way to get your mind working about what you want to journal. You could just pick something that seems relevant to you that day and use it to jumpstart your thinking about what you want to write about. So that's everything that's in the July junk journal box. So when you place an order for a subscription, you won't receive this exact same box. And while you may get similar types of items, each month's kit is totally unique. And it's also a surprise, which I always find to be very fun. I was pleasantly surprised about the variety of items in the kit. I was really happy to see that there were plenty of products to use to start a journaling habit or routine, which is something that I would very much like to get going on. The book, the washi tape, the pens, the stickers, and the pattern papers, those are all perfect for a journal, and lots of other paper crafting projects as well. I also love the way there are organizational items like these cute magnets and the meal planner, which I need to start using right away, and then also the recipe cards. I love this theme, and I love the idea of taking items that are sometimes plain like magnets and making them fun. If you like this kit and want to know more about receiving a kit like this every month, you should visit the Journal Junk Box website to get more details. In the description box, I'll put the link to the website and also the code for 15% off, which is City Scrapper, so that you can get all the details and also get an extra discount on your first box. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments and I will find an answer for you. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you for watching and take care, everybody. Bye-bye.